My name is Lewis Garotti. I'm the Managing Director at 292 Co, and we provide a full branding package. Over the past week, we've been wrapping this Honda CR-V behind me from Graphic Art Mart, which was originally white, and we wrapped it in Arlon Premium Colour Change Infinity Purple. Being a lighter tack adhesive product, the film is very easy to work with in terms of sliding it around on the panel, repositioning the film, and also installing as a solo installer, and it makes conforming around large curves and crevices quite easy as well. We've been using Arlon now for a number of years with our other films such as monomeric, polymeric and digital print wrapping films. So when Premium Colour Change film was released, we absolutely jumped on it, and ever since it's been our go-to product, especially for their gloss films, and that is due to how smooth the gloss level is. There's zero orange peel in the film, and probably in the cast range, the closest thing I've seen to paint. Overall, with the final wrap of the vehicle, we're very happy with obviously the gloss level of the film, the finishing such as edges and corners, and how much coverage we were able to get with the film as well. Overall, if you stand back, it'd be very hard to pick that it was actually wrapped.